Namaste. Today I want to discuss something with students as well as with parents. I know that summer vacation, summer holidays are going on, but still 10th standard students means students those who are going into 10th standard in next years means 2021. Parents are expecting that students they must occupy their each and every minute on studies only. Ideally it is not possible, but yes, it is a strong feeling of every parent. But if I ask the same question about how to consume, how to utilize your 24 hours to students, what will be their reply? वो बोलेंगे हमें मज़ा करने दो, स्टडी तो क्या पूरा साल करने का ही है, अभी थोड़ा सा हमें ऐश करने दो. So there is a dispute between students and parents' opinion about how to consume, how to utilize their 24 hours. Means there is a problem of time management. Then what to do? We know that online coaching is already started by many schools as well as many tuitions, coaching classes also. Already, say take the example of 10th standard. Minimum 3 to 5 hours coaching, online coaching by schools, plus minimum 1 to 2 hours online coaching by tuitions, coaching classes, means already 10 standard students 6 to 7 hours are occupied on their studies. And if suppose this is a case of 9th standard, then 9th standard students, their school online coaching as well as tuitions online coaching, they are also spending 3 to 5 hours on studies only. And students, they have to attend those online lectures compulsorily, because there is no option, there is no repetition, so they have to be there. Then what to do about other hours, other time? My suggestion is every student, he may be of 10th standard, 9th standard. Especially what I am saying is applicable to 10th standard student. Minimum 3 to 5 hours we must give to every student for whatever thing he want to consume his time. For example, he may want to play something on mobile games, computer games. He want to play harmonium, guitar. He want to consume some time on dancing, singing. So whatever his hobbies, he want to spend something on that. Yes, let it be. If he utilize his full school online coaching timing and tuition online coaching timing very sincerely, seriously, and if suppose school and tuitions they are also giving him some tests or assignments, he is very regular, punctual in solving those tests or assignment, then this study is important, this study is sufficient. इसके अलावा उसने कुछ ज़्यादा बहुत कुछ करने का है ऐसा मुझे तो नहीं लगता. लेकिन फिर भी पेरेंट्स दे में फील कि बाबा नहीं, उसने और कुछ करने का और बहुत कुछ उसे करना चाहिए. Yes, some self study, maybe for 1 or 2 hours. Some reading, textbook reading. Textbook reading is applicable mainly for languages, science subjects, history, geography. Even if any particular topic is taught in the school or in the tuitions, whether it is taught or not, it is not important. You can just read it. by reading just your text, you will understand not everything, but at least 50 to 60%. That is more than sufficient. So textbook reading is very important part which you must cover as a part of your self-study. And this vacation or holiday period, every student must spend on getting some more knowledge about vocabulary, improving your vocabulary for all languages. It is not applicable only for English. But if suppose there is Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, German, French, any language, you try to consume some time on getting more and more knowledge on the vocabulary part. So try to improve reading in that particular language. And grammar practice that you can do independently as a part of your self-study. Then writing skills practice, for example, essay writing, letter writing, dialogue writing, whatever writing part is there in your languages, then that you can manage independently. For that purpose, it is not necessary that everything must be explained or taught in your school or tuition, then only you will do it. This is not the case. You can try it independently. So try to improve your vocabulary, grammar, writing skills. And one more thing that you can manage independently in this vacation, that diagrams or maps practice, drawing a diagram or maps, because एवरी स्टूडेंट्स, हर एक का ड्राइंग है वो अच्छा नहीं होता, लेकिन फिर भी ड्यू टू सम विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम प्रैक्टिस यू कैन इम्प्रूव इट अ लॉट. सो ट्राई टू focus more and more on diagram practice, and that diagram practice you can do with just watching a TV. It is not necessary that full concentration is required. TV, web series, movie, ये सब देखते हुए भी हम diagrams draw कर सकते हैं. So this type of practice is required, which you can get sufficient time in this vacation only. When your regular school will start, at that time, that school timing and tuition's timing, considering the school timing and tuition's timing, you will not get more and more time for doing all those things. So diagram practice is very important that you manage in this vacation. Yes, one more thing for keeping you up to date or update your knowledge, you must read newspaper. Either hard copy of newspaper or online, whatever, that is your choice. लेकिन न्यूज़पेपर तो आपको पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, because if you read some articles which are in the newspaper, that will improve or update your knowledge, and that updated knowledge you can utilize in your essays, dialogues, letters, etc. So this indirectly, this is a practice or this is a part of your self-study. So definitely you try to read newspaper online or hard copy of newspaper, and definitely you spend some time for your hobbies. Just I told you, like playing games on mobile or laptop, computer, or watching movies, watching web series. Yes, it is your right in this vacation. So उसके लिए भी कुछ टाइम तो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. So this is my humble request to all parents that if student he is interested in doing all those things, means he is ready to manage his time in doing online, attending online lectures of schools as well as tuitions. He is 100% punctual or ready to solve assignments or question papers or tests which are given in the school or in the tuition. And if he is ready to do something as a self-study, and what is involved, what is included in that self-study that I have just explained, if he is ready to do that, then please give him, means वो student को आप minimum 3 to 5 hours, maybe more than that for his own leisure, उसकी मर्जी के लिए उसे जो कुछ भी करना चाहिए वो करने के लिए आप मिनिमम उसे 3 to 5 hours, और अगर परमिशन है, परमिशन मीन्स इफ टाइम इज अवेलेबल देन ही कैन स्पेंड मोर टाइम ऑन हिज हॉबीज और प्लेइंग दैट गेम्स। और जब तक रेगुलर स्कूल चालू नहीं होता, टिल दैट टाइम पेरेंट्स, यू प्लीज अलाउ एवरी स्टूडेंट that he will enjoy every moment when he is at home. अदरवाइज क्या होता है कि वो अगर ये करना, वो इफ ही डिजायर टू डू समथिंग यू विल से नो, फिर डिस्प्यूट चालू होगा और जो एटमॉस्फेयर है घर का वो पूरा बिगड़ जाएगा। एंड वी डोंट वांट दैट टाइप ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर एट होम, बिकॉज दिस quarantine period or lockdown period, everybody means parents as well as students, they want to enjoy, but enjoyment with self study, with knowledge, with getting some intelligence and improving everything, means improving your total personality. So उसके लिए सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी डेवलप होना चाहिए, और मैंने जो कुछ भी बोला है उसमें सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी आता है इनडायरेक्टली। So please parents, give every student his own time, so that घर का जो माहौल है, एटमॉस्फेयर है, वो अच्छा रहेगा and you will enjoy everything. So goodbye. Thank you.